In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product categories in Wix. Navigating your Wix account and setting up categories is a great way to keep your site organized and help your customers find what they're looking for more efficiently. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to access your Wix dashboard. Go ahead and log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your site's dashboard, which acts as the command center for all the different elements of your online presence. Here, you can manage everything from the appearance of your site to specific product listings. Now, from the dashboard, you're going to want to head over to the section titled Store Products. This is where you'll have control over your product listings, their categorization, pricing, and more. Take a moment to explore this section. It's one of the most pivotal areas for running your online store smoothly. After you've found store products, the next step is to select categories. Categories allow you to group similar products together, making it easier for your customers to navigate your store and find exactly what they're looking for. Once you're within the categories section, you will notice a button at the top right that says Plus New Category. Click on this button to begin adding a new product category to your store. You'll be prompted to enter a category name. Let's say you're setting up a new category for men's apparel. Type in the category name you've chosen. Naming your categories clearly helps with SEO and enhances user navigation. But naming isn't the only thing you can do here. You also have the option to add a category description. This description provides an extra layer of information about the products within this category and can entice visitors by giving them a clearer understanding of what to expect. Additionally, there's an option to upload a category image. This can be a great visual cue for customers and makes your store more visually appealing. So, consider adding an image that represents the category well. Before you finish up, make sure to set the category as active. This is a crucial step, because only active categories will be visible on your site. You certainly don't want all that effort to go unnoticed, so make sure active status is selected. Lastly, after reviewing everything to ensure it's just the way you want, click Save. This final step will ensure that your new category is fully integrated into your store. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a product category to your Wix store. This not only helps streamline your site's organization, but also improves your customers' shopping experiences. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create a more efficient and user-friendly online store.